Low network connection. Record the video. We'll go live now. We're doing this. Hey everybody, this is Jerry Kezhaya, and it's almost Thanksgiving, and I just want to, first of all, wish everybody a happy Thanksgiving, and just show you some of the stuff that we're working on here at the auto shop in beautiful Plano. We've got a Lexus here in the building, and one of our great techs, Tim, is working on it, and I want to just show everybody some of the stuff that we have to get to. Like here, all the undercover has to come off, the all of your little pieces over here. The alternator, or the air conditioner, has to come off. The idler pulleys. We have to pull down the sway bar suspension so that we can get to it. We're taking all of these parts off, and it's an all-day job, believe it or not, just to get to the alternator that has to be replaced. And you know, it's a crazy amount of work. It really is. So much that we have to do just to keep our guys safe, keep our cars back on the road, and you know, we're trying to get over the river and through the woods over to grandmother's house. But it's so much work just to replace some of these parts, and it's not even the cost of the part that's expensive. It's where the engineers put it. So there's just a little look underneath the hood, if you will, or underneath the car, and how you get to an alternator on this Lexus. So other than that, if you have any questions or comments, come see us at the auto shop. You can find us at www.theautoshop.com or call us at 972-578-0588. And other than that, everybody have a great holiday, a great and safe Thanksgiving. We'll talk to you soon.